Tired of your Peachtree Now Sage 50 chart of accounts looking like a disorganized mess? In this quick tutorial, we'll unlock the secret to generating account IDs, helping you bring order to your financial data in Sage 50. First, let's navigate to the Chart of Accounts window. You can usually find this under the Maintain menu, then select Chart of Accounts. Now, before we start generating IDs, it's crucial to understand how Sage 50 structures them. Typically, these IDs are based on account types, like assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Sage 50 often has default numbering schemes. To create a new account and generate an ID, click the New button in the Account ID field. Sage 50 might automatically suggest an ID based on your existing structure, but you can customize it. If you prefer manual assignment, you're in control. Simply type in a unique identifier that adheres to your chosen numbering system. For example, asset accounts might start with 1, followed by additional digits. This helps with easy identification and reporting. Remember to always double-check for duplicates. Once you've entered the ID, description, and other relevant information, click Save. Congratulations! You've just created an account with a manually assigned or automatically generated account ID. Using consistent account IDs is key for clean financial reports and streamlined accounting.